My internship was with TNT Fun Times Fun with Rentals, and it went really well. So, my name is Jeffrey Tacey, and this is my presentation. So, I chose TNT Fun Times because I feel like it's going to be kind of a challenge, and I was going to learn a lot of new things. TNT offered me to run their social media campaigns, to run their Google AdWords, which meant to learn about how Google AdWords works, how to maximize their budgets, how to put their ads in front of more people so that they could book more gigs. And that's just a few of the things that I did for TNT. I also did their Facebook ads and a lot of their other paid ad accounts like YouTube and Instagram. I worked as a manager for TNT in the past, so I had a little bit of experience in their company, so I knew what their product they offered and just how to present it to people so that they book more gigs and just maximize their profits. I also learned how to build out new email marketing campaigns, which was really awesome. We built out an 8 email sequence, a 12 email sequence, and a long term one that just keeps emailing all their like 2 or 3,000 email list and just keeps hitting that list to make sure that people see that TNT is still there, that they have these sweet offers that are still going on. I also had the opportunity to respond to sales inquiries and ensure customer satisfaction, which was a lot of fun. The process to obtain my internship was I had to initially submit my resume, which I had to polish up, but thankfully to B320, it looked pretty good already. I then had to go through a web-based interview to kind of check my ethics and a couple other things. But that was actually kind of cool. So it was a 45-minute web-based interview. And it had a lot of different questions that just went through kind of situation-based and kind of what would you do in this situation, or if this happened to you, or if your desk gets dirty, would you find a new desk, clean the desk, or just keep working? And luckily after that, I was still offered a telephone interview, which included situation-based questions and leadership questions. And after that interview, I was finally sent another email and asked to have an in-person interview to make sure that I was the right fit for the company. Some of the skills I applied from past BYUI classes was a lot from the B320. It taught me some valuable interview skills just on how to talk to people, how to connect and make sure that they realize what I have to offer and how to present that to them. B320 helped me refine my resume, taught me what employers are looking for in a resume, and just to make sure that I had up-to-date stuff on my resume as well, which was a lot of help with the TNT interview. A couple other past business classes taught me how to network and keep the conversation going so that the employer knew I was interested in the right person for the job as well. Some of my experiences and future plans. I'm actually, with the new marketing skills I learned, I applied for an internship at Walt Disney World, and I just got accepted to that one. So I'll be starting that internship in May, and I'll go through January. So it's a 7-month internship down in Florida, which it's going to be a lot of fun. Some advice I would offer to future interns or future people going through college is just to go for as many internships as you can. Honestly, I would go through like 3 or 4 internships, figure out what career path is right for you, take a semester off if you need it, and just make some new connections and figure out what job you want to do. And then this last slide is one of the other projects I worked on. The right photo is their old logo, and I worked with a team to update the logo so it's more modern and just look better, and that is the new logo on the left. But that is the end of the presentation, and thank you.